FilterBox's advanced cleaning system is designed to maximize filter life. We extend the FilterBox filter life by using both mechanical and compressed air processes to clean the main filter. When installing the filter to the unit, a compressed air bar is inserted into the clean air side of the filter, close to the filter pleats. On the dirty side of the filter, ribbed flaps are made to come in contact with the filter pleats. As dust is collected on the filter during the welding process, dust bridges are created between the pleats. These dust bridges contribute to filter load and cannot be cleaned with compressed air alone. Nederman uses the ribbed flaps to break the dust bridges as the filter is rotated during the cleaning process. As the filter is rotated and the filter pleats are spread apart to break the dust bridge, compressed air is blown on the filter from the inside to expel the dust bridge out of the pleat. The result is a deeper clean filter which will last much longer before it needs to be replaced. The FilterBox's advanced cleaning process helps you breathe clean productivity.